Hi, my name's Denny, and this is my story. About 8 years ago, I was in a car accident, and it popped a disc in my back. I struggled with it for about 6 months, going to different therapies, and came to the conclusion that wasn't going to work. So I talked to my orthopedic surgeon. He went in and reduced the disc because the disc had been pushed out and was pushing against my spine. That worked great for about 6 weeks. And then was laying in bed, did a stretch, did a crack and a pop, and I couldn't walk. My leg was on fire. Went back to the surgeon. 3 days later, I'm in surgery. And what had happened is a piece of disc had broken off. So then after that, I was pretty much pain free for about 6, 7 years. Then last summer, I started getting some pains down my leg. And the sciatica pain where you have the electricity. I had that down my leg, and I also had the kind of a dull pain down my leg. And it got so bad that I went back to my surgeon, which he told me I'd come back when my back would tell me to come back. And it did. It was screaming at me. So I went back to him and scheduled for surgery. Well, the problem is my back got really bad. And I was only a week and a half away from surgery, and I couldn't stand the pain anymore. So I happened to be laying in bed, looking at Facebook, and saw Dr. Tuggle with his standing in front of his decompression machine. And I'm going, hey, I got to do something. So I talked to my wife, and she agreed with me. And I come in to get the special, made my appointment with Andy. And so I come in, and on the way here, my wife kept saying, don't sign anything. They're going to want you to sign something. Don't sign anything. So I had it in mind I was going to try it out and see what happened. Dr. Tuggle worked on me a little bit, stuck me in the decompression machine, pulled me, and I'll tell you, it was right when he did that, the electricity down my leg was gone. Now, I still had some of the other pain, but the electricity was gone, and I could walk. And so when I come walking out, my wife's looking at me like, wow. And so 15 minutes later, my wife's in signing for a 6-week program with Andy to get me fixed up. And now that I'm done with my 6-week program, and my back feels great. I've worked with Quentin and Aubrey in doing exercises. I've got a list of exercises that the doctor gave me, and I feel quite confident following those exercises, I'll be good. And if not, I always know where Dr. Tuggle is, and I can get stretched again. And that's my story.